Welcome friends for the today's session of e-learning video preparation tools. So in this session I'm going to elaborate different video preparation tools or different video editing tools which you're going to use it for e-learning courses. Like to prepare your e-learning course, what are the different tools you're going to use it. Okay, before starting the session I will introduce myself. My name is Niraj Kapase. I have done my masters from University of Surrey, Guildford, UK, in the field of mobile and satellite communication. Currently, I am working as an assistant professor in the electronics department of DKT's Textile and Engineering Institute, Maharashtra, Ichalkaranji. We'll start with the session now. Very first thing is foundation for creating video lecture. So what are the things required before starting a video lecture? So first thing is create a storyboard or a selected topic. So you have to decide a topic, on which topic you are going to take the video lecture or on which topic you are going to record your video lecture. This is a very important. You must be clear about your session, your topic and everything. So second thing is prepare a course material either in the form of notes or in the form of PowerPoint presentations. So before starting the lecture, you have to keep ready your PPT notes or you have to keep ready your PPT or the notes. Prepare the equipments required for recording the video lecture. Like you require some softwares to be installed on a PC, and then you require one camera, then you require a mic, everything. You have to keep it ready. Next and very important thing is setting up a light and the audio equipments. So lights are very important as far as the recording is concerned. So you have to set a very good light in front of you. Then the audio is important. You have to set either you can use a laptop mic or you can use a dedicated mic. Then next, prepare yourself for the camera ready. Okay. Then recording of the video is important. So you have to fix a camera, don't move the camera and everything. So that is important in case of a recording of a video. Then editing of the video is important. So I'm going to elaborate different editing tools and many interactive tools which gives you or which create your lecture very better or interactive. Then next, final feedback and comments for your lecture is important. So these are the required things for creating a video lecture. Next, very first thing is creating a storyboard. So what you can do with the storyboard? Very first question is, what shall I cover in this lecture? So you have to be ready with whatever the things you are going to cover in that particular lecture. So you must be very clear about that. Prepare effective lecture notes for this. So you have to prepare effective lecture notes for this particular thing. Then storyline of your topic should be clear before starting your session. Like what is your sequence of the topics or sequence of different points, which point you are going to clear during the session or cover during the session. You have to be clear about that. Plan your tentative video length. So this is again important. So you have to plan your tentative video length. So this lecture is for 1 hour, this lecture is for half an hour and so on. So accordingly you have to plan the course material and the length of the video. So there are 3 ways you can record your video lecture. One thing is face-to-face recording, like only your face is available on a screen and you are just dictating your notes or dictating your lecture. That's it. So that is face-to-face recording. Second way is using a whiteboard. You have just a whiteboard and you are writing on the board and that board is captured. You are not visible on the camera or you are not visible in that particular lecture. So that is using only a whiteboard. And third is use a camera and record your computer screen. So whatever I am doing right now, that is I'm using my laptop camera and I am recording my computer screen. So this is the third way. So there are the 3 ways of recording your lecture. Next, how to prepare your course material. So this thing you might be knowing already, but I've just revised these things. So identify the major topics you will cover. You need to be covered in the video course along with any subtopics. So you have to identify all the topics and subtopics. Identify and any external resources you will require to share with the learners and create the list of each. So whatever things you require during the session, like some data sheets are required, some images are required, or some videos are required to share with the learners, then we need to keep ready with all the resources. Next and very important thing is create a folder on your computer where you will save all the resources, ensuring that structure contained by major topic as parent folder and subtopics as a child folder, so that it's easy to share this with the students and you also get those particular things very easily. So this will help you as well as your learners. So this is very important point, like create a folder with all the required documents. Like suppose you require some images or you require some codes you are explaining in that particular lecture, then prepare all the list of those particular thing in one folder only. Next, preparation of an equipment. So preparation of equipment is important. So first thing is camera. So either you can use digital cameras or DSLR or mobile camera. So currently mobile cameras are also recording with the 4K Ultra HD support as well. So you can use those particular cameras as well to record your lecture. So recording size and the resolution support is very important in case of a camera. So like suppose if your camera is supporting only a 140 pixels or 144 pixels, then it's very low pixel rate, so you will not get good quality of video. So my recommendation is either choose a camera which supports either 720p, minimum 720p, 1080p or a 4K HD. So as you go on increasing the pixel, so your file size also goes on increasing, but that doesn't matter because you have to give very good and very interactive one video session. So that's the thing. Next, microphone. Microphone is very important again to record your audio. It plays very important role. I recommend Boya BYM1, that is omnidirectional lavalier condenser microphone. This costs around 1000 rupees on the Amazon or any Flipkart. You will get it easily. You can buy it from that. And the microphone is important. So currently I have not attached the microphone. My laptop mic is very good to receive all the information. That's why I have not attached it, but you can attach, and it's having internal amplification circuitry available in the Boya. Next thing, either you can use tripod and a gimbal. So tripod, again to fix your camera, the tripod is necessary. Your recorded videos will be fixed and camera will be fixed, and the camera is not moving. So you will get very standstill video. Next, second thing is gimbal. Gimbal is a device which is having inbuilt accelerometer in it, so that if the cameraman is also moving, then the gimbal is not moving. So it is a fixed one. So I prefer a DJI Osmo mobile gimbal. So it's very good tool for recording of the videos. Okay. Next, setting up the recording stage. Again, this is important, how you set up your recording stage. Very first thing is set your lightings. So for lightings, you have to focus the lightings on you, so that your shadow will not be appear at the back end, and then you'll be more clear view. Focus on your subject, so you don't distract yourself from the subject. You have to keep focused on your subject only while creating a video lecture. Remove the reflective surfaces from the backside. So remove all the reflective surfaces from the backside, because the camera catches the reflections and you will not get good background or good picture. Use the background that offers you a best contrast. Like if your background is light, wear the shirts which are contrast, like you have to wear a dark shirts. If your background is a dark, you can wear a light shirt, so that you will be focused more. If possible, use a green screen as a background, so that you can use chroma cast. I will show you chroma cast, what is chroma cast there. So you can remove all the background and you can put any of the background by using a chroma cast. So only the section of the body has been cropped by using a chroma cast if you have a one color background. If possible, use a soundproof acoustics which removes echoes and background noise. So this is again important to record your lectures. There are some tools which removes the noise as well. So I will show you those tools as well. There are software tools available. So those who don't have the acoustic room, they can use the software tools to record the audio and they can remove the noise from that. prepare yourself for the camera ready. Appear in front of camera with a lots of confidence. This is very important thing. You have to appear in front of a camera with a lots of confidence. Wear proper clothing. Take care of background color. As I told in earlier slide, you have to wear a proper clothing. Like I will repeat it again. So you have to wear a dark shades when your background is light. You have to wear a low light shades when your background is dark. Groom yourself. Then every time while presenting, look at your camera during the explanation. This is important because in a video lecture, eye-to-eye contact is not there. So we need to do eye-to-eye contact with the camera so that the listener will feel that he is telling, or a presenter is telling to him only. Okay, so first video editing tool I'm going to demonstrate is Camtesia. So Camtesia is a tool. You will get it, this particular tool, from www.techsmic.com. I will open the slide and I will show you where you will get this particular tool. This is the website where you will get Camtesia tool. I opened techsmic.com. So under TechSmic, they have lots of products. So go to a product category range. So there is a Camtesia available. So if I click on a Camtesia, the Camtesia page will open. It is a paid platform, but you will get a trial version to be downloaded free of charge. So there is a screen recorder and video editor tool. So which records your screen and which is used for editing your video as well. So what you can do with this is you can have record your screen first thing like this. Then next you'll get video templates. We'll have record and screen the webcam. We can add effects, music and audio. We can do a transitions. A very good thing about this is you can create a quiz. Within a video you can create a quiz, and that quiz will be launched during that video, runtime video. Zoom and pan and animate your screen. You can have a titles, annotations and callouts. So these facilities are available. So I will show you the demo on the site itself.
Looking to make your first video? You don't need a big budget or fancy editing skills to make an effective tutorial, product demo, or training video. Simply record your screen and add a few effects. With Camtesia, you can make engaging videos quickly and confidently. Record anything on your computer screen: websites, software, webinars, presentations, or bring in your own files. Create engagement by adding callouts, animations, and transitions, or help your viewers follow along with built-in cursor effects. With a few clicks, you can customize the video to match your brand or style with intros, music, and lower thirds. End up with a professional-looking video your viewers actually watch. Then share directly to your favorite hosting site. With a Camtesia video, you get more viewer engagement and help your audience learn more effectively. Whether you have video experience or this is your first time making one, we give you everything you need to make a high-quality instructional video. Join millions of other Camtesia users. If you need to share information with video, you need Camtesia.
So this is the tool. I will show you the tool, how you can use now. So I will open the tool. Here it is. I have opened the tool. You have here options like new project, open project, recent project, save and all. So I will show you the recent recorded project. So you need to click a record button. Once you hit the record button, you will get like this icon at the end. I will maximize this as well. So currently I am recording this particular thing. So my recording camera is here. I have the audio, then the duration of recording is available here. I can pause, I can stop, then I can put different effects there. So how to keep effects I will show you. Just I will minimize. I will go to recent projects. So I will open any of the projects. You want to save the project. We'll do yes. Cancel. Recent this. No. So it will load the previous recorded session, and I will tell you how you can edit this particular thing, what are the features it's having, and what the things you can do with the Camtesia. So Camtesia is very powerful tool for record your screen and record everything. So this is the last session I have did with the Arduino and I. So I will run this particular thing.
Welcome to the third day session of Arduino and Internet of Things programming webinar. So myself, Niraj Kapase, I welcomes you all. So
okay, so here it is. There are two tracks. One is a video track. Here it is your camera track. You can change your camera height and weight. Also, in this particular, if you select this particular thing, then go to modify, put the animation. If you want a different animation options are there. We can have a restore, no opacity, full opacity, tilt left, tilt right, scale up, scale down. Smart focus is also available. So this will maximize and minimize your screen. Under behavior, we have fading effects and all. Shifting, scaling, explode, fly, like these effects are there. Under effects option, we have visual effects, like we have interactive hotspot, clip speed, device frame, then remove, color adjustment, border and everything. Under audio option, we have noise removal. So this is very important thing. So you can remove the noise from here by clicking the noise removal. There are different options available. So once I click on that noise removal, you'll get here different options. Go to audio effects. There is a noise removal option is there. I need to drag and drop the noise removal on this so that it will remove the noise from that particular video. Again, go to there, add effects, go to cursors. Then if you want to show the left click and right clicks, you can set by rings, ripples, warp, target and scope. Also you can add the sound as well, left click and right click. If you select a left click and right click, so here it is a click environment, you can choose a color as well. So for a left click it is red color, and then again if you come down for the right click it is a yellow color. So you can choose any of the color for your video. So this is about the Camtesia, and you can have here the length of the video. You can cut like this, so you can scale down, scale up. You can add like this, so you can add multiple videos as well. So this is very powerful tool for preparation of the video. Okay, we'll close this particular thing. Don't save. I will not change anything else. I'll maximize this again, PPT. So what are the features I have just explained? You can record your screen, you can record your web camera, you can add some effects, you can add music, audio filtering, editing, you can add some titles and annotations, callouts, you can add zoom pan and animate, you can create a quiz, and you can add on video quiz as well, and control your transitions as well. So I will show you the on-screen quiz. Okay, I will show you how you can add on-screen quiz. So here I have recorded this video already with the Camtesia. Now if you want to add the quiz, so you have to go to more option. There is interactivity. We can have a timeline, add quiz to a timeline. Suppose at what particular instance you need to add a quiz. So select, go to that instance, add the timeline there. So quiz placeholder will be added. So if you double click on that, we'll have different types of questions you can use. You can add multiple choice, fill in the blank, short answer, true and false. So I will choose a multiple choice answer. What is the frequency ultrasonic sensor emits? Question mark. Then you can put 40 kilohertz. These are the answers you need to put there. So the correct answer we need to choose it. 20 kilohertz, 10 kilohertz. If more options are there, just put a tab, 50 kilohertz. Alright, So you can set the properties of this as well. You can put feedbacks and all. You can put properties of this question as well. So you have to stop the session and then answer the quiz, and then only you have to go forward. That you can decide. You can add multiple questions here. If you want to add second question, you can put a second question. What is the application of ultrasonic sensor? Okay, again there are 4 options: to measure the distance, to sense the light, to sense the audio, to sense the color. So like this you can add questions. So these questions will be displayed on the screen automatically. You can change the options of the questions, like first question, which one you want to. So see how your question looks like. The question looks like this: what is the frequency of ultrasonic sensor limits? So once the user enters the correct answer, you can have another question will be looks like this: what is the application of ultrasonic sensor to measure a distance? Like this, and submit the answers. You'll get the result here. There are 2 correct answers, 0 wrong and incorrect answers. We can view the answers from here. So this is the first correct answer we have given already, and this is the second correct answer we have given already. So like this we can add on-screen quiz by using a Camtesia. So this is very nice tool they have provided, so that the listener is always in touch with the video, so he will not leave the video. And at the end we can have sum of all the quizzes. So you can add multiple quizzes. So here I have added 1 quiz. I can add another quiz here, I can add another quiz here, I can add another quiz here, and I can have cumulative result at the end. So this thing is possible by using Camtesia tool. Okay, that is about Camtesia tool. Now we'll see what are the system requirement for Camtesia tool. So the system requirement for the Camtesia tool is you require either Windows 10 or later that. So it supports from Windows 7. Minimum requirements I will tell you. Either 2.6 gigahertz processor with minimum is i3 with 2 CPU cores. You can use the AMD processor as well with first generation, Ryzen 3rd with 2 CPU cores. The RAM is very important in this case. The RAM requirement is 8 GB. This particular thing. Then we require a GPU. That is, it's not recommended, but if it have the GPU, that is graphic process unit, then it will be more beneficial for you. Minimum hard disk required is 4 GB. Then monitor resolution is 1366 by 768, and then we require internal microphone or external microphone. That will be fine. So these are the minimum system requirements for using a Camtesia tool. Okay, the second tool is very important tool again, the Snagit. Again, this tool you will get it from camtesia.com. So what are the things you can do with this Snagit tool? You can record your screen. Again, the screen recording they have provided. You can record your webcam. Webcam recording is also provided. Record your audios. You can animate the GIFs. So the GIF you can animate by using this particular tool. You can trim your video clips. You can text replace from the image. You can add some stickers to an image. So basically Snagit tool is more focused on image processing. You can do image editing by using a Snagit tool. I will show a demo of Snagit tool.
Snagit is screen capture and image editing all in one.
Snagit tool, how you can use it. So for that I will open the Snagit. So here it is Snagit I have. So just I double click on the Snagit. Again, the Snagit tool you can get it from textmeet.com itself. So here it is option available to download a Snagit. So you can click on a Snagit, it will redirect to a Snagit page. Here buy now option is there, free trial is available, you can download this free trial. trial as well. And these are the different things you can do, like screen capturing, panoramics capture, create template, create video from images, simplify, annotation, step, and grab text. So I will give you a demo of this. So I will go there, I'll click on an image. So I can crop anything from this. So right now my mouse is moving, so I can grab. Here I have opened the Snagit, so I will click on a capture button and then I will start capturing. Sorry, no, I will once again take the capture. Got it. So I have captured till this. Done. Now we'll go to the capture image. Then it will open into a Snagit window. Then you can have notations, like suppose if you are explaining the steps, so I can put the steps like this. This is my first step, second step. Then if you want to go third step, it's the auto counter. Fourth step is fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and so on. You can have callouts as well. So this is, suppose this is the callout for this type of callout you need to use, and you can enter it here, screen capture. Okay, if you want to put a callout here, create template. Okay, so you can change the color of a callout if you want. You can select the callout color, make it green, like this you can do. Also there are some features, like you can have color fill, you can have pen to write on this particular thing. Okay, you can have different color pen as well, you can write it on this. Then we can have ink drop, we can select a particular atom, we can cut and paste. Suppose if you don't want this, you can select this and cut it from here to the another place, like this as well. So many things you can do with this. So this is very nice tool for image processing, and also you can record some of the videos and screen as well. Okay, next tool is Epic Pen tool. Again, this tool is very nice tool. So this tool is used to write on your screen. So you can write anything at any point on your screen, and this is very powerful tool for writing on the screen. So I will explain the features of Epic Pen. So Epic Pen features, you can have a click-through or multi-touch inputs, interconnectivity with writing tablets. Then hotkey support is there, mobile toolbar is available, easy to hide, pen and highlighter is effect, drawing effects, rectangle, circle, lines and arrows are available, whiteboard and blackboard is available, screenshot tool is available, tool size tip selection is also available, like you can change your tool size tip. So we'll have a demo of this. So from where you can download this particular pen, so you can type epicpen.com. So there is a website known as epicpen.com. so there you will get Epic Pen tool. So this is the most popular tool for writing on the screen. So most of the professionals are using this particular tool. So you can have a free download of the tool from here. Okay, so how it works, you can write anything on the screen on the top. Then you can make the suggestions and all. So you can use it for business, education, creative industries, and also many things are there. So for pro version, it's 1500 per install, 1500 rupees for one install. The pro version will not have lines, squares. Basic version will not have line, squares and circle, text tool, arrow tool, whiteboard and blackboard. Rest of the things you will get, but you will get pro version. So I have installed the pro version. I will show you the things. So you will get at just 1500 rupees. So I will open the pro version. Here it is, Epic Pen. Once I double click on Epic Pen, here it is, Epic Pen is available. So this is the icon of Epic Pen. Now I can write anything on this particular screen by using this Epic pen. So here it is arrow, here it is a pens. So I can choose many pens. So here is the first pen. Suppose if I want to select this particular thing, I will select. So I can change the width. I can write at any point on the screen, so like this. So I can use a highlighter as well. If you want to change the color, you can change the color and highlight it. You can have again upcoming webinars, you can do. Also it's having a text tool, so you can change a color, trial taste, so you can put anywhere on the screen. It's having an eraser. If you don't want, you can erase it on the screen like this. It's having a line and squares, so you can select by using squares. Here's the square. You can change the width of the square, you can change the color of the square as well. So at any point of the time you can write on the screen. Suppose if you are using this is a here, I can erase this thing and I can add, suppose a square, I can add it here. I can add an arrow here. I can add a circle towards this. Okay, but you can change the color as well. Then undo, redo, clear the screen is one click, clear screen is there. Very good thing is about Whiteboard and Blackboard. For the purchased version you will get this Whiteboard and Blackboard. If I click on a Whiteboard, you will get a blank screen. Then we can write anything on the screen, and this is recorded. Currently I am recording this particular thing. You will get the recordings of this as well, so you can erase it. Okay. Also you can change it to the Blackboard. So this is Blackboard. Again I will choose this particular thing and I will write by using mouse. Okay, so N-I-R-A-J. Okay, so this thing you can do. If you don't want, you can erase everything. Okay, the thing is screenshot you can take. Whatever you are writing, you can take a screenshot here. Then we have menus and all. So this is very nice tool, Epic tool. Another good facility of this is you can interface any of the multi-pane or screen tablets, touchscreen tablets to interface with the Epic tool. I will show you the demonstration of that. So currently I have this particular tablet. This is H640 tablet. I have purchased it from Amazon, and it is Huon tablet, and it's very nice and popular tablet. So I will show you by connecting this particular tablet. This is a tablet. It's a battery free tablet. It's having one connector here where you can connect the cable, USB cable. So you'll have a USB cable. You can connect this tablet with your computer by using USB cable, and there is one pane available with this. By using this particular pane, we can write on this particular tablet, and that will be available on a screen. So I'll give a demo of this. Here we go. Now I'm writing on the tablet. So these things are written on the my screen. So the same thing, whatever you are writing, that will be recorded on a screen. You can clear it out. Also, you can select. You can write the names. So like this you can do by using this particular tablet. So this is Huon. I am using Huon H640. So the cost of this is around 4,000. You can use it. So this is about Epic pen tool. Now the next recording software is again a Bandicam. So I am currently recording with Camtesia, but you can use another recording software tool as a Bandicam. So you can download this tool from bandicam.com. You can have a similar feature as that of a Camtesia. You can select an area for recording. You can have a real-time drawing. You can add the camera overlay. You can have audio mixing. You can add a logo to the video. Also the mouse effects you can do with this Bandicam as well. Okay, so I will show you the Bandicam, how from where you can download the Bandicam. So there is a website known as bandicam.com. Just Google a Bandicam. So we'll have bandicam.com. So you can download the Bandicam, that is screen recording software tool. Also it's a free download. For the full version, with the free version only you will get a watermark on the video, but with the full version you will get that watermark will be removed. Okay, so this is specifically used for screen recording, game recording, also device HDMI recording as well. So there are many options available with the Bandicam as well. Okay, so we'll have this tool as well. So I have installed this tool as well. So I'll show you the tool. Here we go, Bandicam. So just I double click on a Bandicam. So you can have multiple tools to be worked with the same options, like multi-threading is possible. So currently I have Epic tool here, I have a Bandicam here, so I can use a Epic tool here, no problem. So you can use. So multiple tools simultaneously you can use. Okay, so Bandicam, there are the settings of the Bandicam. We can have home, general, FPS, video, image and all. So here the mic and camera settings are there. So you can have a record button to start recording. It will record directly and it will create an MP4 file directly. So what is the advantage of a Bandicam over Camtesia is Bandicam provides you direct MP4 file. There is no rendering ever required for the Bandicam, but in case of a Camtesia you require a rendering. So this is the limitation of a Camtesia. Rendering takes time to create an MP4 file, but that there are some limitations of Bandicam as well. So there is no on-screen quiz is available with Bandicam, but on-screen quiz is available with Camtesia. So depending on your choice, you can choose any of the tool. Okay. So these tools are powerful and suitable for the recordings. Okay. Next is a snipping tool and snip and sketch. This is Windows preloaded tool. You will get this tool on the Windows. Freeform the snip. Then rectangular snipping is possible, Windows snip is possible, and full screen snip is also possible. So just click on start, type snipping tool on a window. This is already pre-installed tool on your window. Here it is, snipping tool. Just click on a snipping tool. Okay, so this is a snipping tool is open now. So you can click on new. If suppose if you want to snip this particular thing, you can select this particular thing. It is snipped. You can write anything on this as well. Suppose if I want to select something, so this is my tool. I will select. If I want to put some text, I can put a text. Here it is text. So you can save this particular thing, you can maximize the size, you can do anything with the text as well. So this thing you can do, you can have a different circle, square, something like this. So this is my circle. You can take a screenshot, you can copy paste directly to your required destination. So this is about a snipping tool. So select this and close it. Don't save. Clear the screen. Okay. Alright, so this is about snipping tool. Next tool is Windows Journal. So this is again a very powerful tool. And earlier the Windows is giving journal pre-installed with Office, but currently they have stopped this. So you can download it from Microsoft, this website, Microsoft Windows Journal. You can just type on a Google Windows Journal. You will get the link for downloading this particular Windows Journal. It supports handwriting notes. Page-wise data will be saved. It's having highlighter effects, is having pen, color change is possible in the Windows Journal. So I have installed the Windows Journal. I will show you the Windows Journal. So this is Windows Journal. So from where you can download the Windows Journal. So for that, you go to Google then type here Windows Journal, press enter. You'll get this link, download a Windows Journal here. Very first link is there for downloading a Windows Journal. It's a lightweight software. Okay, you can directly download it from here. You'll have a x64-bit system. You can have different languages as well. You can download it. So details are there. Just 4.4 MB software is there. It's very lightweight software. So I open it. So here it is Windows Journal. So I can use pen tip to write anything on the Windows Journal. You can write mathematical equations. Here the pens are available. No epic tool is required. Directly pens are available. Direct eraser is available. So I can erase this. Also the thing about this is you can save this particular thing page wise. You can change the color of this. Okay, you can have marker, length, pens. You can change. We can go back again with the previous whatever we have written. So these are the things possible with Windows Journal. So this is very powerful tool to create or to use, and you can save this particular as a note. You can save this and you can refer if you want it again. You can refer it the previously saved notes as well. Okay, next tool is Windows Whiteboard. Again, it is synced with your smartphone as well. So those who are using a smartphone, they can use Windows Whiteboard. You can draw freely with a different pens. Ruler is available, collaborative real-time images, and write on the notes. It will save automatically, sync your work with Microsoft ID. This is very good thing it provides. So it is pre-installed on the Windows. So I will just open the Whiteboard. So Whiteboard is available here. Here it is. Here is my Whiteboard. So again, another facility of Whiteboard is synced with your smartphone as well. So Whiteboard app is available on iOS and the Android phone as well. So here it is. I will show you the Whiteboard app on iOS, how it looks. Here we go. So this is the Whiteboard app I have opened on the iOS. So these two things are synced together. So whatever I am writing here, that will be recorded on the screen, laptop. Only the thing is both are synced with the internet and both are connected with the internet and both are synced with the same ID. So here I have used the ID. So it is synced with that same ID. So you require to use your Microsoft account ID. So the same thing will be synced. So here we have different panes available. So I will clear all the things first. I will use an eraser. So here it is eraser. I have cleared all the things. Then I will go to the pane, then write anything on this. We'll have a multicolored pane as well. Here it is. We have sparkle panes. Then we have green color pane. Okay. Then you have ruler as well. So you can put a ruler. You can draw lines by using ruler. We can have snipper tool. You can select different blocks and you can cut it and paste it here. We can have a marker available. Here it is a marker. You can change the color of a marker as well. So again, Whiteboard is a tool to write everything on the screen. And the same, whatever you are writing here, that is reflected on your phone, as well as whatever you are writing on a phone, that will be reflected on your PC. So this thing is possible. Okay, so I will close. I'll go for the next tool. Okay, next is OpenBoard tool. So OpenBoard is again open source tool. You can have many things available with the OpenBoard. It's having handwriting tool, it's having display document, it's having PPTs, it's having different color highlighters and everything. So you can download OpenBoard tool from their website. You just type OpenBoard on a openboard.ch. Is the website for OpenBoard. So it's a free of charge. So you can select a language. It's open source. It's open source and we have public GNU licenses for this. So this is the look of OpenBoard. Okay, so I can select English, then get a free OpenBoard. So we can have download options here. We can have a Mac OS, we can have Windows, we can have Ubuntu. Those who are using Mac, they can download Mac. Those who are using Windows, they can download Windows. Those who are using Ubuntu, they can download Ubuntu. So just click the download button, it will be downloaded. So I have already downloaded this, so I will show you by opening that. Here it is, OpenBoard. So I will close the Epic tool, I will quit the Epic tool, I will open the OpenBoard. The OpenBoard looks like this. So here we have OpenBoard available. So here it is a pen. So you can use a pen to write on this particular thing. Here it is a eraser, you can erase it. Okay, here it is a highlighter, you can highlight anything. Okay, you can show or you can move the highlighter image, you can select full page. Okay, you can have a laser pointer to point anything on the slides and all. We can have typewriters there, you can put some text directly on it. You can change the font, you can change the font size, and everything is possible in this. You can change the font color as well. Here we go, one color is yellow. This thing, you can change this, you can select this again, you can change font size, you can increase it directly. This is the thing. Okay, so on this bottom hand side we have these things. We can have a virtual keyboard. On the top hand side we have different colors and all. Suppose if I have writer and I need a black color, if I need a red color, if I need blue color, we can take a blue color, green color, or then yellow color. So these colors are available. So multi-line, multi-colors are available. You can have a line sizes, eraser sizes, background, pages and all. So we can add pages. So this is the first page. I can add another page. So you can go to previous pages as well. So the pages are linked here. So we can have a track of your teaching methods directly. Also another feature is you can directly integrate a web pages. So I'll show you the web pages. Just I hit a web page button. So you can open any of the web page here. Suppose I will open a google.com. So just delete everything, www.google.com. So this web page is opened here only. So you can search, you can show anything on the web page, and you can modify anything from the web page itself. Another very good thing about this is you can integrate the documents. So whatever the slides, but the thing is document you need to integrate with the PDF files. So I will integrate the PDF documents here. So here it is. So you can use the documents and you can go step by step like this. So whatever the slides I am using, so those slides are imported and then I will show you. Suppose if you want to highlight something or if you want to write anything on this, you can do this. Okay, so you can erase or you can just put a highlighter here, you can just put a highlighter here, or you can have an eraser. Both the things are possible. Also you can show some desktop applications. So when you click on a desktop, you will get this app info. You can open any of the application and you can show that application. Suppose if you want to show Teraterm, so just I will double click on a Teraterm. The Teraterm app will open and you know to explain that Teraterm app. So these features are available here. This animations, interactive applications, saves, favorites, these features are available here. So all the things are combined together, so you can use it very interactively. So Teraterm is open now, so I can write anything on this particular Teraterm as well. So this facility is available with OpenBoard. Again, if you want to come back, so I'll come back here. One of the very good facilities, you can have a recording of this as well. So everything what you are doing with the OpenBoard, that will be recorded by using a podcast. So once you click on a podcast, these things are recorded and it will create you a MP4 file for you, and that MP4 file you can upload it and on any of the video platforms, video streaming platforms. So this is about OpenBoard. I will quit the OpenBoard. I will quit this as well. Quit this as well. Come back to the slides. Okay. Then there are few platforms which by using those we can create quizzes. So generally you know Google Forms, so I will create another lecture on the Google Forms, how to use effective Google Forms, how to create effective or interactive Google Forms. Then there is one more platform known as Quizziz. It's very good platform for quiz. So I will demonstrate these quizzes. Also there is one platform known as Kahoot and Google Classroom. So I will have a separate session on Google Classroom. Okay, so we'll see a Quizziz platform. So I will open a Quizziz platform. So you need to open an account on the Quizziz. You need to create an account on the Quizziz. Here it is, a Quizziz. So I have already created an account. So here is my profile. Now there are predefined some courses or quizzes are already available. So you can use those particular quiz directly, or you can create your own quiz by going to My Quiz, click on a My Quiz and then the Create Quiz. So it will ask you the name of the quiz. Here, name of the quiz, suppose test quiz. So the quiz is based on suppose computer knowledge. So I'll select computer knowledge, we'll click on a next. So it asks me different options, which type of questions you are using. So multiple choices there, checkbox, fill in the blanks, poll and open-ended. So first question is suppose multiple choice. Okay, so we have to put a question here. What is RAM stands for is my question. So I can put answer random access memory. Read any memory. Read anytime. Anything you can do, and which is the correct answer, you need to tick that only. If you have function, you can have image, you can add, you can have some media, you can add some mathematical equations and all. So your question looks like this on a screen. So you can preview the question as well, you can duplicate, you can delete, you can edit. So this thing, you can set a time limit for this question as well. So each question you can set and you can have different time limit for each and every question. So instead of creating I will show you how to create a quiz. So I will exit from this and then I will go to predefined quiz. So there are many quizzes available and you can give the quiz for the students as well. So you need to just launch that particular quiz. So I'll put one quiz and I will find one quiz and show you how to launch the quiz. Suppose I'm using part of the computer. So I will do a play live or I will practice. So I'll do practice so that you will come to know that how the quiz looks like for the students. So the same panel will be available for the students. So I will put a play quiz. There's very nice interactions or nice animations they provide for the students. Like this you'll get. What is hardware? The part of the computer you can touch, part of computer you can hear, part of computer you can smell, part of computer you can taste, touch, and fancy. So whatever you are doing, you get marks based on that. Next question. What do we use keyboard for? Type into your computer. Like this image is there. You will have some options as well, power up, time freeze. So you get these bundles. So it's very nice for the students as well. And these points are increasing. If you answer fast, true and false. The mouse allows to see what you are doing on the computer. It's true. It's false. So if it is wrong, you will get less marks. So my points will be same. What is the name of the image? It's a cursor. So like this, you can have the quiz using a quizzes. Okay, now you understood this. So I will quit the quiz now. Alright. Okay. So another platform is a Kahoot.com. So here also you can create some quizzes. So I will put kahoot.com. So here it is online quiz platform. So here we can create some quizzes. So I will log in. It's a free platform, so you'll get results, you'll get quiz, you can have multiple quizzes, or you can have online quizzes and everything. So all features are provided by this platform as well. So you can log in with your email ID and the credentials. So I will choose this user ID, then it will be logged in automatically. There are different options, like we have professional, premium and premium plus options, so you can choose any one, or you can just thanks and try it with the free version as well. The free version is also a very good version. So you can have different quizzes, you can create games, you can create quiz, you can host the Kahoot and everything. So here it is. So I have a trial quiz. So this I have already created. So you'll get a reports of this as well. Who is the Prime Minister of India, who is capital of India, where is DKT, so on. So once you play this particular quiz, it will give you a game pin. So you can assign it for self-learning pacing, or you can have a virtual classrooms as well. So virtual classroom will have this. So I will do this virtual classroom. So the quiz question will be available on a screen. So we need to answer the questions. First, game pin is available. So there are two options again, one-to-one device and shared devices. So we'll have one-to-one devices. So we can have some settings of the quiz, like personalized learning, music, two-step verification, randomized order answer, randomized order questions and all. So these things are available. So we'll put a classic, then maximum 50 players for the free version, or a basic version you will get. So I will click on a classic. So once I click on a classic, it will redirect to new page, ready to join. Then you will get a one game pin. So student has to enter this game pin, join this particular quiz. So they need to open this particular website, kahoot.in, and then they need to put this particular quiz pin to enter for the quiz. Once he is entered in this, so you will get number of players available. So I will do with my phone. So I will put kahoot.in. Like this, once you enter kahoot.in, it asks me the game pin. So I'll put a game pin here. So the game pin is 795983, and then I will enter. Once I enter, it asks me the name. Suppose if I put my name there, so the examiner or the host will get the name there directly on the screen. So we'll put Niraj here and OK. So you get one player has been joined and the name is available here. You can remove the player if you don't want, and you can start the quiz. So once you start the quiz question will be available on your screen, and the options are available on my screen. So who is the Prime Minister of India? So four options are there: Narendra Modi, Rahul Gandhi, Nehru and Virat Kohli. So I need to choose a correct answer. So I'm done with the answer. Once it's done, you'll get tick and you get the marks of that particular person. So who clicks fast and who clicks correct answer, you will get the same score. The same score will be represented on your phone as well, on the screen as well. So these two ways you will get a score. So this is again very good quiz platform you'll have for interactive sessions. So I'll leave this. Okay, so this is about the quizzes and all. Next, and very important thing again, after creating your video, which are the different platforms are available for uploading. So one thing is YouTube. You can upload your videos on a YouTube. YouTube supports up to 128 GB of videos. You can have a free unlimited video hosting site. Bandwidth is unlimited in case of YouTube. Then live streaming is possible in YouTube. Then time scheduling is also a very good feature. Another very good feature of YouTube is we have public, private and shared privileges. So we can protect your videos from other publics. So we'll have public, private and shared privileges we can put for the YouTube. So another platform is Waymo. So you can have a free account up to 500 MB per week. Annual size is 25 GB. Live streaming is also supported. The next is Dailymotion. Dailymotion limit is 4 GB. Less restrictions for the video uploads and the sharing of the videos. Live streaming is possible again in the Dailymotion. Twitch. This is generally used for gamers and it is a paid service. Also the Facebook is there. We can do a Facebook Live. Facebook video streaming is also possible. The file size is 1.75 GB and the length of the Facebook is limited for 75 minutes. Also the Vistia is there. So we'll have 25 videos per month. So these are the different platforms available for the video uploading. Okay, so for this we need to have a channel for uploading on a YouTube. So if you have any queries, you can write me on an email, nirajbkapse@quizziz.com. My contact number is given. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Niraj Kapase. Thank you.